Unified Products and Services is a one-stop shop business that creates opportunity for every Filipino, here and abroad. We are committed to building a community of successful entrepreneurs, together with our credible and established partners, in offering the perfect business you deserve. And that is why Unified Products and Services created efficient services that could help you to gain more earnings and provide you better income for the best living you can achieve. With its promise of producing future millionaires in the field of business growth, we warmly welcome every aspiring member to be with us. Are you one of those employees who works 8 hours daily with a fixed salary? Or are you a self-employed who manage your own business and wanted to expand it? Or one of those head honchos who still aim at making their companies bigger? Or maybe an investor who takes the risk of their own money for business profiting? Well, no matter what your employment status is, Unified will passionately guide and support you to make your income, your living, and your business prosperous. That is why we make sure that while you're with Unified, we give you confidence, discounts, and more earnings while using your own system. Choose from our special packages and get exclusive freebies upon registration as a home-based business user. And because we want to make our community stronger and bigger, we generated ideas to earn more while helping others to become part of us. Referrals. Refer as many as you can and earn 1,000 pesos for each referral. Indirect referrals. Earn 60 pesos for each invited member of your own referrals. Matching bonus. Earn 1,500 matching bonus incentives for every pair under your network. Maximum of 60 pairs per day. And the opportunity to earn 90,000 a day, or 2.7 million a month, plus automatic gift certificates to be used for product redemption. How could all these be possible? Here's how. And because Unified Products and Services wants to be your helping hand while being with us, we continuously formulate profitable ways while using our services in your own houses. And still, while using our services, you and your referrals could earn as much as 3 bills or tickets every month and more of potential income. This is how Unified Products and Services plans to build the community of future millionaires we have promised. So what are you waiting for? Inquire now and be part of our growing Unified family.